Being from Brittany, I made my own butter with my grandmother, with my aunt, with my mother. Butter is very well respected, and we use the butter as a way to flavor and celebrate our heritage. So when you are cooking a lobster tail, for example, and you have that beautiful European butter, it just brings that beautiful richness and balance into the roasting of a lobster tail. So the way I do it is I cover it with butter as well as some spices and aromatic ingredients. And I played it with my favorite seasoned vegetables. Transfer the butter to a sauce dish so we'll be able to really savor it with your lobster. There is no better way to eat lobster. By using butter, you are able to really extract all of that flavors that butter will bring during a cooking process. It can be braising, roasting, basting, or even making my grandmother's caramelized apple cake prepared with a caramel sea salt butter. It's delicious. It has that beautiful caramel flavors with the butter and the sea salt. Just bring a beautiful richness to the apple. It's very easy to do, and it works with a lot of different fruits. You can do it with peaches, with apricots, with apples, pretty much whatever your heart desires in whichever season you are. So this is what the beauty of the recipe is. So butter for me is essential to great cooking, and I will always use European butter, the greatest butter in the world, in my cuisine.